There's my friend, Annalyn. That's my friend.
Hello.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Annalyn. Aina.
Aina. Hey, that's my other friend.
Ang beauty
O,
nila.
balo mo yung mahalan mo ngayon para may kinunod. Bagay ka ano at dito, oh. Hi, Dita.
Hello.
Utang magnano yan.
Magura kayo, babe.
I wanna learn Tagalog today.
Yes.
Yes.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, I follow the conversation in the group chat.
Okay po.
I just did not have time
Sorry.
to.
City, Pampanga, Philippines. Mabuhay. Yes. All right.
My
Keep
friend
us
Cora.
safe. Okay?
Always
Yeah.
talking.
Diba? Siyempre, vlogger eh. Oh, di ba yan? Mga po, ganda nila. Oh, di ba? Oh, tapos si Kuya, Win, ang driver natin. And my husband na keeping my composure.
Our group is complete now. We're full. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Okay, we're on the road now. Straight to Subic, Yacht Club.
See ya.
Okay, friends, we're here already. So the whole group is right here. 26 ladies. Look at them. That's Amor. Say hi.
Hello.
Are you awake? My friend Mirna. Aina. Vicky. Lance. Of course, Cora. Cora is always in everywhere with everybody. Okay, friend.
Hello.
Here's my friend Cora.
Right.
She's the organizer of this event. So we're 26 women
Yes.
and 2 guys. So yes, can you tell us a little bit about the cost?
Well, the cost is 1,950 pesos per head. Okay, that includes the meal. And it's a 2-hour cruise.
Right,
Yeah, watching the sunset of Subic Bay.
So what happened? We rent a van.
Yes.
So we pay each one.
Well, the van holds 12 people, and Kuya, the driver, charged 5,500 for the trip, round trip. So divide by 12, so that's about 459 pesos per head.
Yeah, that's not bad. And the food, the menu is very good. I will show you in a little bit.
And you can bring your own booze.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's the best
Oh
part.
my God, yes.
That's the best part.
That's the best part. Yes. We brought the sangria and Chardonnay, and the girls, I don't know what they brought, but
Yeah, we're
and then
we're good. We're
Yeah.
good.
And after this, we're gonna go to Olongapo, Pier 1 Club. You know, we're gonna watch the live band, and we're gonna go dancing.
All right.
And then
So-
we supposed to be back at the van at 9:30 p.m. before we turn into pumpkins. Okay?
Cinderella time. Okay. See ya.
See ya.
Okay, here's the promo. The La Banca Travel and Tours Corp. You can probably book with these people. It's right here. More promos here.
就是每一个环节都慢，加起来就是5慢。就但是他们有做事，因为你不用买钱进去。
That's the crew. Hi. We're here waiting. Supposed to be leaving in 25 more minutes. There's my group waiting. So it's a very nice place over here. I never been in this side. I was in the building right there. Right there. So it's where we ate Chinese food. Mark, Hazel, Eric, TikTok girl, and I. Yeah, we had a great time. So now, yeah, we're gonna do to the dinner. The crew is putting everything together. You can see tables, food. That's the food. It looks like they have very busy today. More people, more people. I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4 today. That's Mr. Sun.
Doon ako sa taas kami ng kapitan.
Oy, taga mo na lang, Corby. Uri na batang katabing kapitan?
Yeah, it's our time now. Be careful.
Kuya, yun, Ate Cora. Ay, maliliw na ako.
Isa pa po.
Stop muna.
Thank you. Kayo naman.
Wait for me.
Yes.
That's a nice one. Look.
Yes.
Ate Ayi.
26.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We will. Thank you.
Cora.
Yes. Doon tayo.
Cora, you go there.
Be careful.
The captain of the ship is the last one.
Dar, lalo yan dar.
Oh, yeah, thank you so much.
Ay na.
Careful, careful.
One more.
I got the wine, so I know everybody's.
Oh, okay. Yes. I better be here.
Yes, I like it there too.
Okay, we're aboard. Look at how nice. Wow.
Lens,
We're ready.
please.
That's my job.
Yes.
Oh, she's got the queen seat.
We're moving. Hey!
Hello, good afternoon. Depart Watercraft 1730.
Hey, ladies! Wave! Hey!
Depart
Yes, mabuhay Philippines! Subic Day! Okay, matindi.
It looks like we're gonna catch the sunset right there.
Si Kuya, captain of the boat. Kuya, what's your name?
Captain Leo.
Leo! Woo!
Captain Leo!
This is our dinner. Looks yummy. Hi, crew. Say hi. Don't be shy. Nice. Very nice down here. Behind me is the sunset. Beautiful. Having a good time too. Happy birthday! Woo!
Tahimik nila. Cheers, Aye. Yes. Your mom's okay? Sisindoyin niya? Okay, good.
Let's go! Enjoy! Happy birthday, Ma'am Rivera!
We have a great time. The dinner was good. The food was very good. You know, we have steak, we have shrimp, we have fish, we have pasta, a little bit of pasta, we have desserts, and of course we brought our own wine or panis sangria. We had a good time. I gotta cut it out.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!